done more trails and stuff than I can, but I can't remember the name and whatnot than I can remember it. That's
Yeah.
cool.
You'd remember this one, trust me.
Oh yeah.
This one's very memorable.
Yeah, sometimes what a person wants to do and what they can do is two totally different things.
Yeah, you could will it, but you got to make your body do it. And you got to get the experience. It gets easier when your body gets used to it.
Yep.
I'm gonna get up to that rock outcrop. All right, Dwight, give me your honest opinion. What do you think of it? Trailside interview.
Nice. Foggy. You can't really see much, but it feels great up here.
Yeah, it feels good with those clouds moving past us.
I'm breathing different, so I can tell we're high up.
Yeah, 6,200 feet almost.
Yeah. 30
The top
years.
is 6,200.
30-year smoker here. I can feel it.
You're doing good though. I think there's hope for a guy like you.
Oh yeah.
Slinging coke helps too, huh?
I got the wheel. I could hike forever.
Not the kind of coke you're thinking of, folks. Don't get the wrong idea.
No sir.
Pepsi and Coke here.
Yeah.
And we're good friends, so it doesn't mean we have to be enemies just because our companies are competitors.
Yeah. We'll let them bicker and argue.
That is Sam's Knob. When you summit that one, that's a 6,000 footer.
Oh.
You're looking down on that one to the left. And I like that one because that one's half conifer trees, half deciduous trees.
Yeah.
Pretty neat. You can really see the colors of fall down there in the valley. It's really early, but we're a lot higher up here. Was it September 22nd, right? It's pretty early.
Yep, 22nd.
Get microclimates, the higher up you go. That's all pine trees down there, dude.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I always marvel every time I come here, even though I've been here dozens of times.
That's Western North Carolina for you.
Yeah, buddy.
Sir.
How you feeling?
That got me breathing good.
Good deal. At the summit, Black Balsam. Dwight's breathing good.
Yes, sir.
One day he's gonna come back and do the whole trail with me.
Yeah. Could be.
You commented, I remember. Yeah, because I was doing the upcoming Colorado trip, and that was like one of my last local hikes before I went. And I did a day hike all the way to Cold Mountain, and you commented about it.
Yeah. Most of the time that I've done hiking, I was either ginsening in the woods, which is raw mountain hiking,